Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So, click on the bell notification in order for you not to miss. Once I drop an update, you will get it instantly. Let's start with our trend on GBPJPY. Since we want to predict what market will be doing for the day, this is our trend on GBPJPY. We are clearly on an uptrend move. This is it. We are having a series of higher high and higher low. Series of higher high and higher low. So market has eventually rallied back here. And take a look at this movement here. We're ranging before market give us a breakout. If it comes to tap our resistance, then drop to tap our support, then push up to tap our resistance, then drop to tap our support, then push up to tap our resistance. That's what market has been doing. Now we eventually dropped to this support and it broke below it, which we are going to see it as a false breakout. Now our next movement is that market should rally back up to it taps our resistance, which is a level of 203. So our next forecast for the day on GBPJPY is a bullish move. So if in case it push a pullback, as it's likely going to do, because we see this higher low, this is the high. So if in case it pulls back, which we should be expecting, to pull back. Another bullish move is what we should be expecting to touch a level of 203 on GBP. Just subscribe, guys, if you've not done that.